Hey guys, it's Ezra back for another video, and today I will be teaching you how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. If you don't know how to solve the first layer, I uploaded a video about 3 weeks ago, so go and visit my channel and watch that before watching this. If you do know how to solve the first layer, then this is the perfect video for you. Stick around and watch until the end if you want to learn how to solve the second layer. Let's go! Solving the second layer of the Rubik's Cube is by far the easiest step. All we are doing is solving 4 of the edge pieces. The first one is here, the second one is here, the third one is here, and finally we have the last one here. The first and simplest part of solving the second layer of the Rubik's Cube is, once you've finished the white layer, or the first layer, with all the matching colors, green with the green, orange, orange, blue, blue, and red, red, we're going to want to flip the white side to the bottom so that the yellow is facing towards the roof and the white is facing to the floor. Moving your edge piece to the right. Once you have aligned the blue with the blue and the red with the yellow, we want to move this to the right. So when moving it to the right, we do the following steps. Top to the left, right up, top to the right, and right down. We flip it once to the left and do the following. Top to the right, left up, top to the left, and left back down. We have now solved the blue and red edge piece, moving it from the top to the right. Solving your edge piece to the left. Once we have aligned the correct color with the centerpiece, such as green with green and the red facing towards the yellow, and we want to move it to the left, we do the same moves that we did when moving it to the right, just in reverse. The following are top to the right, left up, top to the left, left down. We then flip it once to the right and do top to the left, right up, top to the right, and right down. We have now solved the green and red edge piece whilst keeping the white first layer all intact with the correct colors. There will often be times when you have found the edge piece you are wanting to solve, but it is not at the top, therefore you cannot have free range of movement. So what you will want to do is you want to bring this to the top so that you do have free range of movement. So let's say we have the green and red. We're going to put it to the right and do the following steps. Top to the left, right up, top to the right, and right down. Flip it once to the left, top to the right, left up, top to the left, and left down. We now have the green and red edge piece at the top of the cube, resulting in free range of movement. Align it up with the correct centerpiece and do top to left as I explained earlier. You are now equipped with all the skills on how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. Please feel free to go back and watch this video as many times as you need to master the second layer. Congratulations! Keep watching to see me solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. Here we go. There we are. That quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. If you are interested in the cube that I have, it is a Gone 356. The link is in the description below and I got it off Amazon. I just wanted to give a shout out to Footlongfingers. He's one of my friends. It's all one word, so go check out his channel and hit his subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.